Welcome guys, it's Alex. So I've been grinding in the crypto space for like 2.5 years now. And look, your reputation score, this went from being this obscure thing nobody talked about to literally one of the most important metrics in Web3, no cap. So here's the deal. It's essentially a credibility rating for blockchain address, examines every on-chain interaction. And honestly, this saves me from constant AML verification headaches and they just eat up time. Plus, I can verify everything squeaky clean before tax season rolls around. Like airdrop projects filter by this heavily, DeFi platforms hook me up with significantly better rates when my score is solid. It's basically become my Web3 identity card. Super grateful platforms like WalletScore exist where I can actually see my wallet standing. So if understanding your Web3 reputation matters to you, definitely worth a look. Okay, so let me walk you through how this actually works. All right, so I can examine whatever address I need, right? Jumping into my Trust Wallet app, grabbing my receiving address, switching back to the site, dropping it into this field here, and okay, clicking check score.
All right, so to access the complete analytical breakdown, first I need to unlock full access here. Cool, pressing unlock, confirming payment. Awesome, there we go. Full data on my address just appeared. Nice. So what I'm looking at now covers all the risk factor breakdowns, transaction history depth, wallet maturity, asset distribution, everything that actually tells the full story. Now I've got complete clarity on this address's reputation and can figure out my next moves accordingly. So let me actually break down why this reputation score is such a massive deal in crypto right now. And look, before I do, I want to share something from my own experience that'll make this click way faster. So about 2 years ago, I was actively farming airdrops across like 5 different wallets, right? And I kept getting disqualified from distributions, even though I was doing everything supposedly right. Early adoption, genuine protocol usage, consistent activity, I had no idea why.
Turns out 2 of my wallets had interacted with some flagged contracts months earlier without me even realizing it, and every airdrop team's automated system was just silently filtering me out. I lost out on probably thousands in token distributions just from not knowing this information. That's literally what pushed me to start researching reputation tracking seriously. Fast forward to today, I checked maybe 8 or 9 different platforms trying to find something actually useful, but most of them were honestly just terrible in ways that should have been obvious red flags from the start. One platform had this super polished landing page, looked completely professional, but they were asking for Wallet Connect with write permissions, like full access to approved transactions. That's insane. That's literally how draining attacks work. I noped out immediately.
Another service I tried gave me this super confident looking score with detailed breakdowns, but when I cross-referenced their data against actual block explorers, half the information was just wrong, like fabricated metrics to look comprehensive. They were basically generating fake analysis to justify their subscription fee. Then there were the score boosting services, and these are everywhere. Platforms promising to improve your reputation score for extra payment. Guys, this is a straight scam every single time. Your score is derived from immutable blockchain history. Nobody can alter that data. Anyone promising to boost your score is just taking your money and doing absolutely nothing. So, link is down in the description and pinned at the top of comments. Just run a quick check, takes maybe 2 minutes, and you'll immediately see if there's anything concerning. And real advice from experience, if you spot risk flags, stay calm because most are temporary and fade naturally with normal transaction activity. If mixer-related flags are showing, typically clears around 45 to 75 days with regular usage. Plenty to hit any major airdrops or apply for DeFi credit. Check your score about a week ahead so you've got buffer time if anything needs addressing. If you're running multiple wallets, scan them individually because sometimes one's perfectly clean while another's got issues you never noticed. Score isn't permanent either. It evolves constantly based on your ongoing activity, so revisit every couple months, especially heading into airdrop seasons. Drop a comment below, I check them, and I'll help break it down. Thanks for watching, guys.